Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? I want to confess you guys something. I don't like washing my makeup brushes. There you go. I said it. That's makeup police. They're coming for me. One of the biggest crimes you can commit in the makeup world is not washing your brushes. So don't be a criminal. Otherwise you will be put in a makeup prison with patchy eyeshadows and crusty liquid lipstick. I didn't say that I don't wash them. I say that I don't like washing them. There is a difference. I want to show you guys how I created this makeup look using only one brush. Let's make a statue of this brush because it's amazing. You want a brush that is flat but also thick. It's that thickness that will help you blend your eyeshadows. First, we're gonna start with this nice chocolate color over here. Look how beautiful it is. As you can tell, I'm taking it on the flat side of this brush. This is very important. And then you can start patting it on your eyelid. Pat. Okay, you wanna have something like this. Don't worry if it doesn't look good. It's not supposed to look good yet. And that's it. This is how you apply your eyeshadows using one brush only. Thank you guys so much for watching. What? Oh, come on. In a parallel universe, this probably looks really good. But in our universe, this makes me wanna scream. Okay, my friends, hear me out. This next step is crucial. You don't want to skip it. It will literally take you 10 seconds. Brush, come back here. Woo. I'm getting better at catching stuff.
2 seconds later.
I'm gonna take a napkin and I'm gonna start rubbing my brush on that napkin. And I'm doing this to clean my brush from that dark brown eyeshadow because I don't want to work with it anymore. I don't need it anymore. That's it. Dark brown eyeshadow. We're breaking up. Bye-bye. And yeah, this was a very useful trick, but this next one is even more useful and important. This is my eyeshadow palette again, the ColourPop Roaring Hearts eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna take some of this shade over here, this nice beige color. You can see that it's way lighter than that brown shade. And this is exactly what I need for my blending session that's coming up next. So I'm taking this eyeshadow but just on the tip of my brush. I had that dark brown eyeshadow on the flat side of the brush. But now with this lighter shade, you can see that it's on the tip of my brush. The placement is important. You gotta be strategic. So I'm gonna just place the tip of my brush that is loaded with that lighter shade right on the edge of that brown eyeshadow. See, just right here. And I'm gonna start going left and right. And the thicker your brush is, the easier it will be to diffuse any harsh lines and use it as a blending brush. And of course, having a lighter shade on your brush will definitely help with the blending as well. So make sure that you get something a little lighter on your brush and blend. And see, before, after. What? Now I'm getting some glitter glue on my brush and I'm just gonna gently pat it on my eyelid. This will make my shimmers look... You don't want to swipe or drag, you want to just pat it on your eyelid. And don't worry, this won't make your eyelids sticky. I mean, it will, but it will dry out pretty quickly. It's just there to grab the shimmers or glitters or whatever you're applying on your eyelid. Now you can use the brush to apply your shimmers. However, if you want to get the best out of your shimmers, use your fingers. Check this out. Whenever you can apply your shimmers with your fingers, there is no better way to apply them. There is something that I did on this eye that made it look so bright and sparkly that I haven't done on this one. Can you tell the difference? Look how much brighter this one is. Where this one is, it's still bright, but it's not that popping. Check this one out. So what I did is I took some glitter glue and I only applied it in the center of my eyelid. And then on top of it, I added some of this eyeshadow from the palette. And check it out. It's so pretty. Here is why I don't recommend you apply your shimmery eyeshadows with a brush. So I have some glitter glue on my hand. This is how the eyeshadows look when you apply them with your finger. Check it out. Pretty amazing. But then if you take your brush and you take some of that eyeshadow, even if I pat it, I'm still not getting the same amount of eyeshadow. Yeah, that's a disappointment over there. Look at that. Fingers, guys, fingers. Always, always, always use your fingers with shimmery, with matte, with foil eyeshadows. Oh, and glitter glue. Don't even get me started on glitter glue. Glitter glue is shimmery eyeshadow's best friend, and their favorite hangout spot is on my eyelids. This is such a gorgeous look. It's soft, it's light, it's wearable. You can definitely stop here, coat your lashes with some mascara, and you're good to go. However, it seems like my breaks were not working because I just kept on going. Winged eyeliner, yeah! I love winged eyeliner. Maybe a little too much. Okay, we now know who is shimmer's best friend. But do we know who is eyeliner's best friend? No? Ah, let me tell you. False lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and glue them on. These are the House of Lashes Iconic. Here is a challenging part when it comes to the one brush makeup look. What do you do for the lower lashes? Obviously you need something a little more precise. Well, you make it precise. Look at this. I have a thick brush. Boom. I have a thin brush. And you can use that brush to smudge the eyeshadows under your eyes to complete the look. Listen, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's not ideal. But I'm trying to do my makeup today without having to wash 35 brushes after I'm done. I'm switching between pinching the brush and not pinching the brush, whatever kind of feels good. I'm also adding a little bit of a darker shade in that outer corner. I'm gonna show you guys one more trick. This is for the times when you don't have glitter glue but you wanna make your shimmers look as bright as possible. Take some setting spray or water, whatever you have, spray your brush with it, grab some of those shimmers on your brush. I'm gonna apply that in the tear duct. Ooh. And if this is not a proof that you can use one brush in so many different ways, I don't know what is. You don't realize how many random things you can use to apply your makeup until you wash your brushes and you can't do your makeup with them because now they're wet. So what do we do? What do we do? Well, we work with whatever we have. Oh look, tablecloth. Wonder if that can blend my eyeshadows. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one next. This is how I do my favorite eyeliner look. Or this right here is my favorite soft glam makeup look. This is how I do it. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!